Hello all. Hirabai Budala Vichar Manch Trust has made this application for COVID patients who are under home isolation and from which home isolated patients will keep updating their daily health status report to HBVM Trust team. Also, they can request for required help and support from HBVM Trust team by this application. HBVM Trust team will monitor your daily health status digitally and keep providing you required help and support. For this, you will go to Google Play Store and download and install HBVM Home Isolation application and then click on Open button to open application. Very soon, this application will be available on App Store. Once application opened, one alert will appear on screen regarding granting location permissions and where it has been mentioned that this application fetches your current location and gives alert if patient leave home location. User has to read it and then click on agree button. Now one has to give all relevant permissions, mainly location permissions. If anyone wants to watch app user guide on YouTube, then they have to click on app video help guide on YouTube button. Once you click here, you will be able to watch app user guide. Now one has to register into application. One has to complete one-time registration process after clicking on register button. Once you clicked on register button, one form will open. Here you have to enter your first name, your last name, password, confirm password and correct contact number. You'll fill all this information, then click on register button. Once you clicked on register button, one OTP number will generate on your register contact number. You have to enter that number, OTP number here and then click on submit button. Once you clicked on submit button, you will come back to login page where your register contact number and password will come. You will click on login button to login into application. One alert will generate here that stop optimizing battery usage. You have to click on yes button. For using this application, you have to keep some settings into your device, like you have to keep GPS means location settings always on. If you are using updated OS version device, then please go to location settings, then allow all the time permissions for location setting. Also, you have to stop battery optimization option and turn automatic date and time setting on from your device settings. We need these settings because HBVM home isolation application tracks whether if patient leaves location during quarantine period, then alert HBVM Trust team for taking corrective actions. Such patients are not allowed to leave their home location for period of 17 days. Daily health assessment can be only filled when the patient remains at home location. Hence, location permissions taken always. Now, click on. Also, one has not to change these settings. One will not change application settings up to they are using this application. Then click on check-in button to check in into application. Once you checked in into application, you will be able to see enroll patient, health report, sync, sampark suchi, these buttons. One has to click on enroll patient button to enroll into application from their home location. Make sure while enrolling into application, patient should be at their home location where they have isolated themselves. Then they'll click on Add Patient Home Location button. Add Patient Home Location button. Here click on Patient Government ID Proof Number. Here we will enter Patient Government ID Proof Number. Suppose I'll enter PAN number. Type of government ID proof. Then one has to click Government ID Proof Photo. If your government ID proof is in same phone, then first of all you have to shift that into another phone and then only you'll be click the picture. I repeat, if your government ID photo is in the same phone, then in that case you have to shift it first of all into another device, then only you will be able to click picture. Click on camera to click ID proof photo. Click picture. Then click on OK button. Then enter patient first name, patient's last name, patient's complete address, patient's age, then the date on which test came positive. You have to select the date. Then again you have to click report photo. Again I repeat, if your photos are in same phone, then first of all you will shift it into another device and then only you will click the picture. Let's click report photo like this. Click on OK. Then app operated by whom? Self or relative. If you are selecting relative, then you have to mention relative name, contact number and their relation. Emergency contact number. In emergency, on this number HBVM Trust team will contact. You have to enter emergency contact number. Then home quarantine recommended by government institute or private institute. Then home quarantine recommending doctor name. You have to enter doctor name and their contact number. Again cross check, enter details, then click on preview. Once you clicked on preview, you will cross check all the field data, and if you want to change anything, then you will click on back button. You will do required changes and then again click on preview and submit it. Once you submit it, within few seconds the ID proof number will highlight into green color. Like this, you will enroll into application once. Suppose in one home, more than one patients are in home isolation. In that case, they have to enroll themselves into their own device, in their own application. If they don't have Android device or they are not able to use the application, in that case you can enroll them into same phone in same application with their ID proof number by clicking on Add Patient Home Location. You will enroll them by their ID proof number. Once you enroll into application, some forms will come here in health report. If it is not showing here, you will go to sync button and sync the applications. Once you clicked on sync button in health report, you will be able to see forms. You have to click on health report button. Here you will be able to see self-assessment form by which you are updating your daily health status to HBVM Trust team. You have to fill this form before 3 p.m. in afternoon. You have to click on start button to open the form. I repeat, if you have to fill this form before 3 p.m. in afternoon. if you won't be able to fill this form up to 3 p.m., the HBVM trust team will give you a call. Then once form is opened, you will be able to see here first of all your government ID proof number. Then you have to select your today's health status. Is it good, average or not good as applicable. Then are you experiencing any of the following symptoms like breathlessness, cough, high level of fatigue, experiencing loss of smell and taste, fever, headache? Any of this you have to select as applicable, or if none, then you will click none of the above. Then what is your today's oxygen level? You will enter your today's oxygen level. Then your today's temperature level in Fahrenheit. Then are you taking your medical dosage on time? If yes, then click on yes button. If no, then click on no button. Then are you in need of support? Do you want support? In that case, you will click on yes. If not, then click on no. Then are you getting proper treatment and support from family members? If you are getting, then you will click yes. Otherwise, you will click on no. Then are you fearful, depressed or traumatic? And do you need that someone come to you and talk with you and counsel you? If you want such thing, you will click on yes button. HBVM trust team will do accordingly. You can select as applicable. Then any specific problem if you are experiencing, you have to mention here. Suppose I am experiencing low BP, then I'll put here. Like this, you'll select all the data as applicable and then click on preview. Cross check data entered by you. If you want to change anything, click on back button, change as per your requirement. Then click on preview and submit your daily self-assessment form like this. You have to fill this self-assessment form daily before 3 p.m. in afternoon. If you will not complete this form up to 3 p.m., then in that case HBVM trust team will call you. Then if during this quarantine period, if you have any kind of emergency, in that case you will fill emergency form. For this, you will click on emergency form, click on start button, then OK. Here you have to select type of emergency. If you are feeling difficulty in breathing and you immediately need medical support, then you will select first option. If you have heavy fatigue and there is no one to support, in that case you will select second option. If you need immediately oxygen ambulance, then you will select third option. Or if you immediately need medical attention or doctor support, in that case you will select second last option. You have to select option as applicable, and here in remark you can mention emergency type. You can give briefing on your emergency type. Then click on preview and submit it. Once you submitted this emergency form, one alert will generate at HBVM trust team and they'll immediately help you as per your requirement. Then next is medical kit form. If you need medical kit form but you haven't received it yet, in that case you will click on medical kit form, click on start button. OK. Here, have you received medical kit? If you have received already, then click on yes. If you are not, then click on no. Then patient's full name, you have to enter patient full name. Then patient's correct contact number and patient's complete address. Like this, you will fill all these details, click on preview and submit it. Once you submitted this medical kit form, HBVM Trust team will provide you medical kit as soon as possible. Then, while using this application, if you are facing any of the issue in application, for this you will fill report app problem form. You have to click on start button. Okay, here you have to explain your problem, what problem you are facing while using this application. You have to explain it here. You have to enter contact number. Then click on preview and submit it. Once you submitted this report app problem form, then HBVM Trust team and Technopurple team will get back to you as soon as possible to resolve your query. Then at last, once your quarantine period is over, on 17th of day in your application, you will be able to see this feedback form in which you are explaining in which you are giving your feedback on HBVM Trust help and support and this application made by HBVM Trust team. You will give the feedback on this. You have to click on start button. First of all, you will give feedback on your health as applicable. Then your feedback on HBVM support and performance. If it is good, you will click on good. If you will select the options as applicable, average, good or not good. Then what is your feedback on this app, that is HBVM home isolation app. You will select average, good or not good as applicable. Then click on preview and submit it. Like this, daily you will complete your self-assessment form before 3 p.m. in afternoon. If there is any emergency, you will fill emergency form. If you are in need of medical kit, you will fill medical kit form. If you are facing any problem while using this application, you will fill report app problem. And on last 17th of day of your quarantine period, you will receive one feedback form in your application in which you are giving your feedback on HBVM Trust team's support and this application made by them. Then if you want important contacts details of your ward and ambulance, you will click here on Sampark Suchi, that in where all important contacts has been given. If someone wants to watch video regarding app usage, then they'll click here on English guide, Marathi guide or Hindi guide as per required language. If I have selected English guide, here English video will play, English app user guide will play. Like this, you will be able to see app user guide in Marathi, Hindi and English, all 3 languages. We really hope that your quarantine period goes through without any trouble and that you get rid of COVID-19 as soon as possible. Also, requesting you all to please suggest this application to your known people and your friends, those who lives nearby you, so that they will get needful help and support from HBVM Trust team during their quarantine period. Thank you and please take care.